On the 4th of November, New Mexico Governor Susana Martinez was reelected in a landslide, crushing her Democrat opponent by 14 points. The state Senate, controlled by Democrats since the 1920s, rode the Republican midterm wave, flipping to Republican control. But sadly, the Democrats still run the assembly there. Now, one of the first orders of business for newly elected Republican state senators in New Mexico will be to repeal a law enacted by Democrats allowing illegal immigrants to get driver's licenses. Republicans say that this law has made New Mexico a magnet for criminals, many involved in human trafficking and elaborate fraud schemes. Earlier this year, a federal jury in Las Cruces convicted a Chinese national of running a ring that funneled fraudulent licenses to illegals. But Democrats are still Democrats. Even after getting trounced in the midterms, they will not admit the law is harmful. Instead, they claim efforts to repeal it are anti-family. They say the children of illegals will be hurt because the parents won't be able to go to the grocery store and put food on the table. Since Democrats still run the lower body, the outcome's uncertain, but at least state Republicans in New Mexico are willing to fight to do the right thing for their constituents. They aren't afraid of being called names or accused of harming kids or having the drive-by media distort their intent to make their state safe again. Certain establishment Republicans in Washington could take lessons, will they? Ha!